The integumentary system includes the skin, hair, nails, and exocrine glands. It protects the body from damage from the outside world and performs multiple roles, including temperature regulation, sensory perception, biochemical synthesis, and absorption. The skin is the largest organ in the body and consists of two main layers, the epidermis and the dermis. The hypodermis is not part of the skin, but serves to connect it to underlying tissues. The epidermis, the outermost protective layer, continually builds new cells and sheds older cells as they die. The dermal layer includes components that nourish and support the epidermis. The deepest layer of the dermis contains sensory receptors for deep pressure perception, as well as sweat glands, oil glands, blood vessels, lymph vessels, smooth muscles, and hair follicles. The hypodermis, located deep to the dermis, supports fat storage and serves to insulate the body from temperature variations. Hair and nails are accessory structures to the skin. Hair functions as both a protective and heat regulatory accessory, as well as providing sensory receptors for light touch. The nails are composed of hard keratin and function in several ways. They protect the tissue they cover and enhance movement and sensitivity of the fingertips. Although the nail itself lacks nerve endings, it allows the fingertip to receive additional sensory input when touching an object. Nails also enhance gripping ability. Both sebaceous glands and sudoriferous glands extend into the dermis. Sebaceous or oil glands excrete oils designed to prevent the drying of the skin and hair. Sudoriferous or sweat glands assist with thermoregulation. Sebaceous glands release a fatty substance, sebum, into the hair follicle near the surface of the skin. Sebum is composed of a mixture of triglycerides, wax esters, squalene, and cholesterol, which forms a slight film over the skin to keep it flexible and suitably hydrated. Sebaceous glands are distributed over most of the body, with the exception of the palms of the hands and the soles of the feet. There are two kinds of sudoriferous glands, eccrine and apocrine. As internal body temperature rises, eccrine glands secrete water to the surface of the skin where evaporation serves to cool the body. These glands are distributed across the body. The apocrine glands are connected to the hair follicles and continuously secrete a type of fatty sweat. Local bacteria on the skin breaks down the fatty acids, releasing a telltale sweaty odor. Apocrine glands are concentrated in the underarm and genital areas of the body and are inactive in humans until stimulated by the hormones released in puberty.